Okay, preps, now before we start reading the book today, we are going to do a little bit of investigating. So, I would like you to get your pretend magnifying glass out. I've got mine out. And using your pretend magnifying glass, I want you to see if you can find the symbols that represent the sound B and D. Okay? I hope you're ready, because we are going to get started. Now, I wonder if you can see any B or D on this page. I can see one. If you found one, you would be right. This is a D, and we can see the diaper here on the back of the D. Alrighty, let's keep going. Oh, there's our D again in the word N-E-D, Ned. Let's have a look. Can you spot any on this page? I've spotted one. I found two over here. This is our uppercase D and the lowercase D. We can see the stinky diaper there. I'm scanning. Oh, there's the D in Ned. Ned again, there's another D. What about over here? There's Ned again with another D. Alrighty, keep looking. Can you see any D on this page? There's Ned again. Looking. Oh, I found the D over here. What's this word? D. Mud. Over here we've got Ned again. Oh, D. Dad. We know this is our uppercase D and our lowercase D again. And then we have Ned again. There's so many D. I wonder if we could find the symbol that represents the sound B. Still no B on this page. What about the next page, I wonder? Can you see any B? I can see the B over here. I can see the big fat belly. B-A-K. Back. That's the word back. We can hear the B at the start of that word. Any more B? No more there. See if we can find one more. Oh, I can see two here. Can you point to the B? There is an uppercase B and a lowercase B, and we can see the big fat belly there. Well done. Alrighty, see if you can find any more on this page. You might like to pause the video if you like to see if you can find a D or a B, or maybe you can find both.